MCH in gyneko-oncology. Female pelvic anatomy. You will study the vascular supply of pelvis, anatomy of the female ureter and bladder, lymphatic drainage of the female pelvis including the vulva, pathology of pre-malignant and malignant lesions of the female genital tract. FIGO and other international staging system for various gynecological cancers. Then prophylaxis against venous thromboembolism. Then management of suspected and established cases of venous thromboembolism. Concept of medical and radiation oncology management of these cases. Surgical principles in the management of various gynecological cancers. Post-operative care including fluid and electrolyte management. Surgical management in case of small intestine or large bowel involvement by gynecological cancer. Surgical management in case of ureter or bladder involvement or injury during the surgery. Then surgical management in case of small intestine or large bowel involvement by gynecological cancer. Prophylaxis against venous thromboembolism, management of suspected and established cases of venous thromboembolism, concept of medical and radiation oncology management of these cases. Cancer cervix, surgical management of operable cancer cervix cases, diagnosis and management of pre-invasive lesions of cervix, selection and pre-treatment workup of patients needing radiation therapy and chemotherapy for cancer cervix. Carcinoma endometrium, diagnosis and management of carcinoma endometrium, management of ovarian cancer, primary debulking, interval debulking and secondary debulking, management of vulval cancers, management of gestational trophoblastic neoplasia, diagnosis and management of rare genital tract cancers such as carcinoma fallopian tube, sarcoma uterus, carcinoma vagina, diagnosis and management of recurrent lesions and metastasis, evaluation of patient on follow-up, reconstructive surgery, counseling for familial cancer syndromes. Diagnostic technique and staging of gynecological cancers, surgery for gynecological cancer, principles of radiation therapy for gynecological malignancy, chemotherapy, targeted therapy, immunotherapy for gynecological cancers, palliative care for advanced and recurrent cancers, pathology of common gynecological cancers, research methodology for clinical trials and statistics, writing original papers in reputed national and international scientific journals, knowledge related to epidemiology and preventive oncology as applied to gynecology. Procedures: hysterectomy, radical hysterectomy, total abdominal hysterectomy, vaginal hysterectomy, pelvic lymphadenectomy, para-aortic lymphadenectomy, radical vulvectomy, inguinal and femoral lymphadenectomy, debulking surgeries for stage 3 and stage 4 ovarian cancer, fertility sparing surgery for early stage ovarian cancer, conservative surgery for early stage ovarian and cervical carcinoma in young patients, laparoscopic surgery for carcinoma endometrium, carcinoma cervix, exenteration procedures, gastrointestinal procedures related to gynecological malignancy in collaboration with colorectal surgeons where necessary, small intestine resection and anastomosis, bypass procedure, ileostomy, large intestine resection, colostomies. Urinary tract procedures related to gynecologic malignancy in collaboration with urological surgeons wherever necessary, bladder partial cystectomy, cystotomy, ureterocystotomy, end-to-end ureteral reanastomosis, ileal conduit. Theory examination shall be 4 theory papers. Paper 1 Basic Science, Epidemiology and Preventive Oncology. Paper 2 Surgical Aspects in Gynecology Oncology. Paper 3 Medical and Radiation Oncology related to gynecologic oncology. Paper 4 Recent Advances in Gynecologic Oncology including clinical trials. The practical examination should consist of following and should be spread over 2 days for less than 5 students. 1 long cases, history taking, physical examination, interpretation of clinical findings, differential diagnosis, investigation, prognosis and management. 3 short cases from various sections of gynecologic oncology. MCH candidates will also be examined into the surgical procedures. Oral examination consists of surgical anatomy, instruments, radiology, surgical pathology, chemotherapy, drugs, spots, ward rounds.